In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build the example app from source. So we go into the directory. First of all, let's uninstall any previous installed catalog app, just so that it doesn't cause any issues. Now, I'll open the catalog solution in Visual Studio. And that solution directly references through the NuGet config file here, the NuGet package in this directory here. I will switch to x64, as this is not an ARM-based device that I'm on at the moment. Go to Build, Build Solution. While that's building, I will show you on the side. This is a standard UWP app using MVVM, and for example, you have different view model code. The open and export file view model, for example, shows you how to open and export PDFs. Here we have typical code for opening a file picker and eventually displaying it in the PDF view. Let's see how the build is getting along. It's built. Let's run it. And there we have the catalog up, starting up. And just to demonstrate that that's really working, let's go to open and export a PDF. I'll switch back here, put a breakpoint. There we go. And there we go. We can see that it's absolutely possible to debug this. No problem at all. And that's how you can build the catalog app yourself. If you want to explore the various features of the SDK, get hints on how to implement your own. And that's that. Thank you.